Everyone, this is Dr. Rohit Gupta, lecturer in a homeopathic medical college, researcher and author. Today I will share the case-taking format of acute diseases which has been taken from the Organon of Medicine, and I will teach you how you can use it in KEYNOTES Modern and Classic Repertory. Then you will understand how this repertory is based on the method of Organon of Medicine. The complete case-taking format of acute diseases has been mentioned in aphorism 86 with 7 points. Number 1, duration of present complaint. Number 2, history of medication if present. Number 3, causation. Number 4, location. Number 5, sensation. Number 6, modalities. And number 7, concomitant. There are 2 points, the most important of these 7 points, which I explain later. But these 5 points are important in every case: causation, location, sensation, modalities and concomitant. You must watch the full video till the end for a better understanding of it. At first you must open KEYNOTES Modern and Classic Repertory, but still if you don't have it, then order it from Amazon and the link is available in the video description. Here you will see 2 types of approaches with the same case-taking format of acute diseases in this repertory. Now open the page Contents and see Part 1 Generals with 9 chapters, in which these 5 chapters are following. I will show one by one all these 5 chapters with examples. For the first type of approach, first chapter is causation with examples of all types of causes of diseases with their rubrics and sub-rubrics, including all types of exciting or maintaining causes of acute diseases. According to case-taking format of acute diseases, all 5 important points you can see here are converted in the form of chapter and with their rubrics and sub-rubrics, in which the cause for causation, pains, feeling and sensation for sensation, modalities, generalities for concomitants and miscellaneous for location. Let's see one by one all chapters. Here you can see there are 2 examples of rubrics and sub-rubrics of them in cause chapter. Always remember that no plant grows without seed and no diseases are without causes. The next second chapter is pains, feelings and sensations, because sensation only occur in a particular body part, whereas feelings occur in the whole body. But pain occurs in both conditions and it's a specific and very important sensation, which is why I have separated it from a painful disease condition. You can see here all these 3 conditions with their rubrics and sub-rubrics. Next, third chapter, miscellaneous for approaching to location, etc. Here you can see 2 examples. Number 1, effects for a particular body part, and number 2, alternating stain where more than one body part or system are involved. So you can get the right approach through this chapter. The fourth chapter is modalities for selection of rubrics or sub-rubrics of aggravation and amelioration. The last 5th chapter is for concomitants, which covers physical and mental general or both. You can see here 2 examples of physical general, thirst and thirstless with their sub-rubrics and medicines, and another example of mental general. You can see here the mind rubric with their sub-rubrics and under upper sub-rubric and lower sub-rubric. Now the second approach is for a single disease condition or complaint, and you will get all these 5 points under their rubrics in the form of sub-rubrics. You can see here in particulars in pulmonology chapter, asthma diagnosis rubrics with their sub-rubrics, which covering all 5 conditions of the acute case-taking format: causation, location, sensation and modalities. You can see them with red color arrow marks. After for causation, after then anxious, wheezing, rattling, breathing. For sensation, despondent thinks he will die. For concomitant, larynx is stopped, amelioration by lying on face, protruding tongue for location, and at the end, wet weather with every change to and aggravation 12 am, aggravation 2 to 4 am for modalities. So you can see here in particulars part in all specific chapter according to super specialty department and their diagnostic rubric you can see, and you will get all these 5 case taking format points at one place, either under diagnostic rubric or special or specific characteristic signs or symptoms. So you have seen here that the former approach is for artificial, complicated or rare diseases, and the later approach is for natural diseases. Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button.